All right, so we're gonna do a photo shoot with my boy Kyle. We got a E90 3 Series static, slammed to the ground. Personally, my favorite E90. Might be a little biased, but you know, gotta support the homies. So right now we're just gonna empty out this little water bottle. Make sure to recycle, you know, save the environment and whatnot. Now we're just gonna wait on him. I'm gonna set up my camera gear. I think today I'm gonna be using probably my 30 and my 56 Sigma lenses for Nikon Z mount. I shoot on a ZFC. It's nothing crazy, super budget setup, but you know, ultimately just I like the aesthetic of the camera. That's kind of why I bought it. Specs are a little bit better than the Z50 and all them for the other like budget lineup cameras that they have for the Z mount system, but this is where we're doing the shoot. It's a boat ramp down there. All this open space should be chill with a static car. Nice little area right there that you could park, kind of surrounded by the trees, and it's off the main roadway, so it shouldn't be in anyone's way. So I have the two of the lenses from the contemporary lineup from Sigma for the Nikon Z mount. So these are the two I'll be using. This is my 30, and here is my 56. I don't know if you can see it, the camera strapped to my chest. 30 mil, black diffusion filter, Nikon ZFC with the one hand strap. This camera has been awesome. I like it because even though it has all the manual dials and stuff like that, it forces you to be a lot more engaged. So for me personally, that's a big thing. It's so easy to just kind of, take a couple shots real quick and just roll. But first off, with a prime lens and something like this where it's manual, it forces you to be engaged in what you're shooting. So it's a little bit more passion driven. Don't know if that's really I don't know if that's a thing. It is for me. It doesn't matter. But you know, something like that, it just forces you to take the extra step, you know, to ensure highest quality. So pop this back on, pop the lens cap back on, right on top of the filter for now till he gets here.
The road that I just went down, not that one. Fuck, my coffee's everywhere.
Your cup holder works though?
Yeah, oh, semi.
Good.
Well, fucking Lightning McQueen poured that road or some shit. God damn, bro.
Is that bad?
It was horrible.
Oh shit. You want to back up a little bit in the parking spot?
I'm just like creep, creep, just creep. It's all good. Like, nah.
Yo,
that shit was horrendous.
When I was driving up, I was like, oh shit, there is a speed bump. It was like one, depending on which side you came from.
I didn't see the speed bump.
Okay, then you came from the other side.
But like, I don't know.
You made a left in here or a right?
Like to come straight down?
Yeah, when you were coming straight down?
Like a right from that fucking Lightning McQueen ass road, and then went immediately left.
Okay.
Yeah.
Okay, all right. So yeah, I know exactly.
God. That was fucking tremendous. Morning. How you doing?
Right, how you doing?
I'm not going down there.
Nah. I was thinking more so like over there, here, and over there where that little.
Fuck next to you, dog. What the fuck is wrong with people?
I don't know. Oh, this fucking room.
I know. I'll park next to that log.
Okay.
But I gotta like reverse because if you can see, it's a little bit of a schmeat.
Yeah. So and then where they're walking, you see that little gate?
Yeah.
It's like it's not a driveway or nothing like that, but it's paved right there and it's perfectly smooth. Yeah.
That'd be fine.
Yeah, we could do right here first, or if you want to do on this side, either or. This one has the leaves look more like leaves and not dust.
No, but that's got better colors right there.
Yeah.
All right, good.
All right. Oh, it didn't scrape. It's not low enough. Oh, I spoke too soon. I said it didn't scrape, so it's not low enough. And I'm gonna grab my camera. Yo, that shit. Yo, that shit was huge.
That's a cicada killer. I don't fuck with them.
Those are the ones with the photographic memory.
Oh damn, they are! Nah, you're fucking playing. Get me the fuck out of here.
Yo, the shots go crazy. No, it flew away.
Yo, I got these for $40.
For real?
Yeah, at fucking clearance at the fucking White Marsh outlet.
Oh shit. Nike?
Gas, yeah.
Damn.
Shit cheap.
I got this sweater from Nike outlet in
dumbass purple things off too.
Oh, yeah, I seen that.
But the dice still look good, so I was like, I'm gonna just leave them.
Yeah. I fuck with it, bro.
2 holes in it. Fuck that.
This is the lens I should have had when we were in Colombia.
Ah. Don't mind me. Would you like some fresh plastic?
Is it plastic or rubber?
Plastic.
I
got way.
Damn, boy. That shit rubbing like fuck.
It's fine.
Yeah, this is a lens I should have had.
Rubbin's racing, Tim. Rubbin's racing.
Hey, that's facts.
That's what the saying is.
Yeah, I can tell off rip. This is already gonna be like.
Yeah. Well, I figured the lighting will be good.
Yes.
The fact that it's more plain now without the fucking pattern.
Mm-hmm.
And like, there's no wiper blade. I made the windshield banner smaller. It's just a little bit more simple now. Not really.
You even got the hoodie to match? Color match the hoodie? Oh shit. That's hard though. I fuck with the Nike logo.
Hell yeah, it's like the retro.
Yeah.
That's why I got it. I'm like, ooh, it's the retro purple.
We need the solo cups.
The fucking old one.
The color match sunglasses? Come on, bro. It's like, no, we stop. Oh shit. Yo, hold on.
Right, let's see how this shit tastes. This is a liquid pancake.
What? Like you took a pancake and put it in a blender?
The overnight oats.
Oh. I never heard of that.
It's like pancake flavored. It's like oatmeal.
I ain't gonna lie to you. Bro, this shit looks...
Wow.
Yeah, that shit looks stupid.
I like it. This is good. I love it.
Afterwards too, I'll like take the filter off and then do some more normal ones. Cause this one like gives it like a gloominess. So probably get the wheel from this side. This shit goes crazy, bro. Oh yeah.
Way better. It's nice because you can like.
Yours is clutch, so you just whoop, whoop, whoop.
I did it in Miami. It's great. Yeah, exactly. That's the best part about these.
What does it say on it? Is it the on my own?
On my own.
This shit's hard though.
Why?
I don't know.
Because I did that shit on my own, bitch.
Type shit.
Literally. That's the whole basis of the company. Everybody thinks it's like some sad boy shit. Like, oh, we're on our own. Like, no, bitch. It's like
I literally did it.
Your own. Like, you don't have people to help you. You don't have money to help you.
I don't even know if the camera could pick up on it, but there's like the skulls on it.
Mm-hmm. Oh, it will. If it hits the light right, you can tell for sure.
Yeah. Watch your backpack. Can you? Yeah. All right. Just back up. Just back up. Just back up. I ain't gonna let you get that far without.
Fucking fog light. We have to edit that.
Yeah, I got you.
Adhesive is kind of funky. Like, no matter what, I don't give a fuck what brand it is. I don't care. Like, chrome wrap, the adhesive is bunk.
Mm-hmm.
Like, I Yeah, white seems to work better. Looks nicer.
He's over there. What in tarnation?
Yeah, people probably might get confused.
How do you drive that thing?
Don't air up.
It's like a normal fucking car. What do you mean?
I was driving on that road. I hit my first fucking bump.
Typical noises of a static car. Gotta love it. Straighten up just a little bit, or back up some. Back up some more. Yeah. You gotta move over just a little bit. Yo, this shit looks crazy. Yo, the way the light beaming right now.
Oh yeah.
Hey, how you doing?
I gotta ask, do the wheels go back in when you start to drive?
No.
Do they like that?
No.
Oh, that's all right.
No.
Yeah, it's gotta be tough on the tires, doesn't it?
So it depends on how bad like the alignment is, like
Yeah.
how straight they are. But I got it pretty straight, so I don't really have too many issues.
Oh, okay.
They've been on there for about 6 months.
Oh, wow.
So
How about that?
they last a long time. But I don't drive it like every day. It's, just like, it's a show car.
Neat looking car.
Thank you. I appreciate it.
You bet.
Thank you very much.
You bet.
Shit, you should have heard everybody when we was Tennessee. That was like the best thing. Everybody come up and be like, how does it work?
Do the wheels?
Yeah, it's funny. That's like the #1 thing. People are just like confused on like how it actually does
Yeah.
work like that. But it drives. Ways behind me in the Honda,
The fuck?
and he literally ABS locked up, all the tires locked up, all that shit. He was probably 2 feet from my rear end.
Yeah, he's burnt. What the
I don't know
fuck?
what the fuck he was doing, but I was like, bro, is that really how much has happened? I was
Yeah.
like, I was like, damn, that was the right car to do it in too.
He's fried.
I would have had to check.
Like actually fried. Yeah. It's good. It has good noise insulation.
Yeah, everyone was like, you sound deadening. I'm like, it's already sound deadening. BMW, it's already sound deadening.
Yeah.
I get a quarter pound of flex.
That's wild.
It's quiet, like outside.
I can see your mirror shaking through the reflection on the. I'm looking at it through the
It's not
reflection.
even fucking.